morning, guys. It has been a beautiful morning so far. I am so excited that this weekend is finally here. Happy Friday. Today is the start to my bachelorette party. Now, I won't be picked up until 3 o'clock by my sister today, just because I don't think we could get into the hotel room until 4. And then Ken's sister, I'm not sure when she's coming up, but I think she's coming up before my sister comes and picks me up to do a couple things before we get there. But I am so excited and I can't wait to share this weekend with you guys. I just still can't believe it's here. Like, I still think back of 2 years ago when Ken asked me to marry him, and we said, 2-year engagement, we'll get married, 2 years from now, and then we picked our date, and then we went to wedding, what are they called? Like, wedding outlet type of things, expos, there we go. It's right on the tip of my tongue. And we started booking things, and then I got my dress, and that felt surreal, and just like buying decorations. And now we're 35 days away from the day we're gonna get married, and it's just so crazy to think about like how fast time has gone and that we're already here. So this morning, me and Ken actually around 10:30 are going to go and get everything prepared to get our marriage license, which is just so surreal. And I know anybody who's gone through the process of planning a wedding and getting married, just like how surreal everything feels, and like each process and each step, just like, it's just so crazy. And I just keep thinking to myself, like, we're doing all this stuff, and then the day's going to be here. And then the next thing I know, we're, like, wanting to start a family, and hopefully everything goes well, and we'll have kids running around, and life just moves fast. And I've loved documenting all of this stuff, not just for you, but also for me to look back and just see all the stuff that we did, and the stuff we bought, and the things we put together, because it's just so much fun to look back on all of this time that I've spent getting ready to marry Ken. And it has been, again, like I've said in many videos, it's been stressful, but it's also been very, nice, and I'm grateful to have this opportunity to do it and, do it ourselves and everything. So I'm just so excited about everything that's coming in the future, and especially about this weekend. So I actually just got ready. I packed up my bathroom stuff, so that's all in there. I don't think I really need anything else. I think I pretty much have everything I'm going to need packed. I asked my sister-in-law and sister to give me hints of what, we're doing this weekend. All I got was like the type of clothes I should pack and everything. So I really don't know anything, which I kind of like. I like it that it's going to be a surprise and that I'm not entirely sure what we're going to be doing. And that makes me really excited just to find everything out. So it is 9:30 right now, so in an hour we will be going and getting our marriage license. Oh my gosh. And then I think after that we're going to run to Walmart because I need to get a couple things for the weekend, and then I will just be waiting until my sister comes and picks me up. But I wanted to have a little chat with you guys this morning, let you know what's going on, and I am just going to drink my coffee, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Well, we did it. We went, met with the lady, and signed everything for our marriage license, which we will be able to pick up on Tuesday, which is like super soon. And then we will have it for our wedding day, which is super exciting. Another thing to check off our list. But when I get home, I don't think I told you guys the story of my car. We were driving it to work, and I don't know if we hit something or the tire just gave out, but it popped and we had to turn around. We just turned around and came home, told work like my car was making a bunch of noises and then lights on the dashboard were like popping up. So we just wanted to get it home. So we came home and it's just been sitting in the parking lot. We've been using Ken's car for everything, but today we're actually going to drop it off at Walmart to get the tires changed. And I think a lot of other things probably need to be fixed on it, but at least we'll get those changed so we can start driving it again. So once we get home, I will show you guys what that looks like. Like, there's 2 other tires that look like they're ready to go at any moment, so it's probably a good thing that we're getting this done now. I mean, eventually we knew the tires were probably gonna go. We just didn't know it was gonna be so soon. So once we get home, I will definitely show you guys my car. And then later on, we will go to Walmart, drop it off. Again, like I said earlier, I have to get a few things. And then it's just waiting around to be picked up for the Bachelorette weekend. So I will keep you guys posted. So right now, as you could probably hear, my car is not doing too good. It's not even like wanting to stay running. This is a tire that gave out, so we had to put the spare on it. This one looks pretty good. Like tire wise, that one's not as bad, but yeah, this car is struggling. This tire is kind of bad and has the same effect as the other one, and then this one too is bad, but she's definitely struggling to even stay on right now. And like every single light on the dashboard is on, which is not good. That was one of the reasons why we just wanted to get it home. So like every single light on is on, so we don't even know what to do, if we should even get the tires changed. Like, I think my car is dying, and it's sad because I've had her for 7 years, so we just don't know what to do. My poor car. So we put what is that called? A charge. We're trying to charge the battery to see if it'll run a little bit smoother, just because without the charge on there, it's like petering out. And me and Ken are just gonna clean out the car just so nothing's in there, because if everything gets changed and Ken has to go pick it up later, since I won't be home, he would have room to put his bike in the back of the car if he takes his bike. So we're just gonna clean it out and go from there, because right now we just really don't know if we take it to Walmart and they change the batteries, what else would need to be done on it. So my poor car is dying on us. It's not good, but at least we have, you know, another car. But maybe if we can get everything fixed, she'll be okay. I'm a little sad right now. Like I said, I bought this car used, but I've had it for like 7 years. So this is my baby. It's a sad moment when your cars give up on you. So since the car won't hold a charge, we are not going to take it to Walmart. We are at least going to try to get it charged up again so we can get it back in its parking spot. And then from there, we're either going to have to get it towed to like a mechanic, or figure out maybe we're going to start with a new battery, because it might just be the battery, see if changing the battery out will help, and if that helps, then obviously we can go forward with doing the tires. But if that doesn't help, then we would have to bring it to a mechanic and see exactly what is going wrong with it. It was running and then it was dying, and then the whole inside of my car smelled like something was on fire. And what is that? The cool high? Like, what is that?
Overheated.
It overheated, so it shot from cool to like H, which is really hot. So we turned it off real quick, but that is our plan for right now with my car, since it's deciding to just die in our parking lot. So I am going to relax. Huh?
All because it's flat tire.
All because a flat tire, guys. My car decided to die on us. So we will probably run to Walmart real quick so I can get the few things I need to get, and then it's a waiting game for someone to pick me up for the weekend to start. So I will talk to you guys later on once I get picked up by my sister.
Mom. It's Mom. She just tried to video chat me twice.
It's pretty much just a lot of
A lot of what?
fucking balloons.
You ain't got no more plays. Hold on.
I didn't secretly draw any penises on your balloons, sorry.
Thank God.
Maybe you were hoping for penises, you didn't get any. Brian's just like put dongs everywhere. I'm like, Brian, get out of here.
I was like, yeah, I don't know if that's Dee's vibe. That's
No,
what.
yeah, I'm like, I'm not doing that. I
That
didn't
was.
want
Did
that
you
for
go
my
to Jess's
best
bachelorette party?
No, I don't know why I didn't go.
I don't know why either, but that's what Jess's bachelorette party was. Yeah.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, grab somebody. Everybody, grab somebody.
So just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the night changed.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody,
Oh, there's a game room down here.
grab somebody. Everybody, grab somebody.
Like, supposed to be like, sit over there and eat.
You got me feeling, you got me feeling alright. Whenever I'm around you, baby, you make me feel so
So we just got back. We went and did an escape room, which was called Crazy Cat Ladies, and it was so much fun. I obviously couldn't record anything while I was in there, but it was so much fun. And now we are getting in our bathing suits to go and hang out at the hot tub before calling it a night and just hanging out in our room. But like before that, we went to Moose Jaw and just enjoyed some dinner, and it has just been so much fun so far. And tomorrow there is more plans and stuff and things to do. So far it's been an amazing weekend and start to the Bachelorette weekend, and I can't wait for tomorrow. I'll probably try to do a little bit here and there of talking and stuff, but it'll mostly probably just be video, so enjoy. Oh, why it's so good.
Everybody,
Yeah, it is. It's like-
can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove?
Why so weird?
Grab somebody.